Good morning, students. Now, if I ask you, where are you? You will say at home. Where is your home? It is in Koregaon, Satara, and Satara is in Maharashtra, and Maharashtra in India, and India is in the world. But where is the world? The world means the earth on which we are living. We all are living on earth. This is our planet Earth. It revolves around the sun. It is the only planet that has life on it. It is a blue planet because more than the land, it is covered by the water. Hence, it is called the blue planet. And the air around it help us to breathe. That layer of the earth is called atmosphere. It is the only planet where we can get food, water and air. So, earth is a unique planet and all human beings are surviving on this planet. Now, if this is our planet, we have a perfect model of it. A perfect model of the earth is called globe. Now, we are going to study what is globe. And you children see here, you are having blue color in this earth. This is the blue color means big water bodies which are called oceans, and the brown color, that is the continents. There are continents and oceans. There are 7 continents. So we will wholly study what is earth, globe and continents and oceans in this lesson today. Look here student, this is the picture of a globe. Yes, this is a globe. Our earth is very big and looks like a ball. We cannot see it as a whole at one. So we use a model of the earth which is called the globe. It is a perfect model of the earth. It helps to locate countries, oceans and seas. Look here students, the blue color on the globe. These blue color shows the oceans. But the globe does not show all the details. To see the details of all the places, huge globes would be required. Such globes would be very expensive and difficult. Student, now in front of us is a map. The map which shows us the continents and oceans. First of all, a map is a drawing of a place on a flat surface. It can show the whole or a part of it at one go. Maps can be big or small. At times, maps are more useful than globes. Wall maps are the big maps. We can hang them on walls so that everybody can see them clearly. An atlas is a collection of different types of map in the form of a book. Now students, in this map we are seeing the continents and oceans. Okay, what do you mean by continent? Large land masses are called continents. There are 7 continents. There are 7 continents. Okay, so the name of the 7 continents is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica and Australia. These are the 7 continents. These are the 7 continents. In this 7 continents, Asia is the largest continent. It is the biggest continent in the world. Asia is the biggest continent in the world. And the smallest continent is Australia. These are the 7 continents. Now, students, we will look about the oceans. Big water bodies are called oceans. Big water bodies are called oceans. Now, in this, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Students, we are having Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Of these, the Pacific Ocean is the biggest ocean. It is the largest and the deepest ocean of the world. And the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Of these 5, the Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. In